The final determining factor about whether this is something I will keep in rotation will be how my curls look at the end. Hey guys, it's Chris. So today's video is going to be a first impression demo vlog type thing. I'm going to be reviewing the Cocoa Créme Clay Wash by Chocolate Kinks Kurls. So Chocolate Kinks Kurls is a brand I've heard Candid Kinks here on YouTube talk about a lot. And then also more recently, another one of my YouTube faves, NJ Eberhardt. I'll leave both of their videos down below, but she's mentioned it as well. And actually, since I've been using a little bit more heat on my hair, yes, heat, I always like to do a Bentonite clay wash. But I ran out of clay, and so I was like, you know what, it's time to give something different to try. So I picked this up based on seeing them use it in their recommendations. So when I make a clay wash, I'll usually just make apple cider vinegar, the Aztec Indian healing clay, and then mix that up. Now in the past, I have like added other things like aloe vera juice and maybe a little olive oil. But you know, on a lazy day, which is 9 times out of 10, I'll just do the clay and apple cider vinegar. So I was so excited to try everything that I forgot to show you guys what it looked like, but also the difference with this clay wash is the ingredients. It's got water, shea butter, aloe vera, BTMS, bentonite clay of course, Babassu oil, avocado oil, cocoa butter, jojoba oil, a lot of other really great ingredients in there versus what I would put together. And what I love about a bentonite clay wash is that it makes my curls pop. Like, especially, you know, if they're trying to bounce back after like heat styling or something like that. That's always something I love to do, especially to make my wash and goes really, you know, really shine through. So the directions on the packaging say that you should apply it to wet hair. So my hair is already wet here, as you can see. And I'm gonna zoom in. Actually, I was expecting it to be like super fragrant, but it's not until you like really put it in there. But it does smell like chocolate. I want to eat it, but I'm not gonna do that. So I actually did watch a video on the Chocolate Kinks Kurls YouTube channel on how to apply this, so I have like a better idea. And Juanita in the video was smoothing the hair down, so that's what I'm gonna do. It feels really nice for this to be a wash. It has slip, which I like. And what I'm hoping to get out of this is the curl poppage that I get from my own DIY mixture. But right now it feels really good. It feels great. I'm liking it. It's going on very smooth like a butter. So even though it can cleanse and detox your hair, that's one of the benefits of the bentonite clay. Of course, it's not lathering, which is fine. And you can even smooth this onto your scalp to help eliminate buildup. Now right off the bat, I don't see any like clumpage, but again, my hair is wet. It's like damp. Maybe I should wet my hair some more. All right, so I'm gonna spray my hair. Let's see if this helps. Maybe it wasn't wet enough. I don't know just yet. I don't know. Now let me see. When I wet it, maybe that will activate it. It's not cold. Wait. Oh wait. Okay, here we go. Yeah, it's gotta be wet. Okay, there we go. There we go. So I'm gonna. Yeah, it feels so good and soft and moisturizing. Like, oh, actually does feel like a butter. It feels like a nice twisting butter or something. All right, so I see the key here is making sure your hair is wet, not damp. Wet hair, not damp hair. Got it. Now the only thing I'm a little confused about is how long to leave this stuff on. It doesn't say that you need to like deep condition with a cap or anything like that. So since it's a cleanse, I don't see why you would if it's a cleanser. I have to remember it's a cleanser, not a treatment per se. And as you can see, it's easy to go through my hair. I'm able to finger detangle. I hope this chocolate smell lasts in my hair. I really love the way it smells. I need to make body butters that smell like this. Yeah, Chocolate Kinks Kurls chocolate body butter. Ooh, yeah. So I'm getting to the back section of my hair, which is usually hardest to detangle, and I'm able again to finger detangle through that section like it is a breeze. Now the final determining factor about whether this is something I will keep in rotation will be how my curls look at the end. Because again, I use a clay, I'll use a bentonite clay to kind of help revive my curls and make them pop. Because, you know, I know my hair, and when it's at its best, when it's most moisturized, when it's healthiest, I know my curls look a certain way. And so that's what I'm trying to like get back to here. So I took my sections out and I'm getting ready to rinse everything out, but I can go ahead and tell you guys, I don't know if you can tell, I can tell based on from the start, I can tell that this clay wash is helping revive my curls, especially the front is my measure of success, okay? Because the front is on something else. But no, this section of my hair is usually more hard to define, so I can already see it now. So I think we're good. But let's rinse it out and then we'll see, and I'll come back for my final thoughts, you guys. Okay, so I just rinsed the clay wash out of my hair and I want to tell you about that experience. It just my hair felt so nice and soft and luxurious. As I was rinsing it out and kind of scrunching the product out of my hair, I did see a little lather. And honestly, that's something I was kind of like concerned about, whether or not this stuff could actually clean my hair. But the lather, you know how you associate suds with clean, you know? Having those suds made me feel better. But let's zoom in. I want to show you guys my hair. So as you can see, this is my hair. It's product free. Let me zoom out. Maybe I'm zoomed in a little too much, but my hair is product free. I don't know if you guys can tell. There is more definition in the front. This is probably as good as it's gonna get. But my curls are clumped. My hair feels really soft, actually. Now it makes sense why on the label it says, leaves your hair so soft you can't be sure if you'll need a conditioner. I actually am not going to condition because I'm lazy. My hair feels just that good. But those are my thoughts. I really do like this stuff. This is something I'm gonna keep in rotation. I also love that it's not so messy because it is thick. Like when I make my mixtures, the stuff is everywhere. It's all over clothes, it's all over the countertop, it's all over the sink, and even when I was washing it out, there was no mess. But overall, this is something I really enjoy. This is something that I would repurchase, and let me show you guys how much I used. I can definitely get several more uses out of this, and I think, like I said at the beginning, the key to using this product, you want to make sure your hair is wet, not damp, because if your hair is damp, it's going to take a little bit more, but I could see getting several more uses out of this, and this is something that I'm going to repurchase. So alright, so in the comment section down below, tell me if you guys have ever tried any kind of bentonite clay wash or any kind of clay wash on your hair and if you liked it. Or if you've tried any of the other products from the Chocolate Kinks Kurls brand, let me know what I should try next down below. And as for always, thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!